Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you this morning. I'm so excited to share another interview with a staff person this morning. I've had great feedback on these interviews. What I'm hearing from you all is we love the Penquis updates, but we get a lot of that information from the current. But learning more about the programs of Penquis is really helpful and helps to decrease silos. So we're going to do more of that. And I'm very excited to welcome Dee Williams here. Dee, can you please introduce yourself? How long have you been with Penquis and what's your role?
Absolutely. Hi, everyone. Dee Williams. I am the director for MaineStream Finance, and we are the subsidiary of Penquis that offers mortgage lending. I have been here 5 years next month.
Ooh, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
5 years. I feel like that was time travels quickly. So you said MaineStream, you do mortgages. Can you tell us more about the work of MaineStream?
Absolutely. So MaineStream does mortgage lending, but we also do small business lending, which is exciting for us. We often support startup businesses who are having that idea, and we help that come to fruition by providing financial support to make that happen. But we also offer mortgage lending on all types of mortgages.
Love that.
Yeah.
And when we talk about the importance of MaineStream, having someone have an asset, a home or a business is one of the best ways of improving their future. So the work of MaineStream is critically important. Now, why would someone come to MaineStream and not go to a traditional bank?
Sometimes traditional banks have like a checklist, if you will, is an easy way to say it. They have ways that they evaluate their loans. They're very straightforward. They follow strict guidelines, whereas MaineStream's able to dig a little deeper. We look for the gray. We look outside the box. We take your qualities such as long-time rent history or a good solid job history, and we're able to turn that into a possible way of approving you over the traditional way that a bank would.
Love that, right?
Yeah.
So if I was someone who went to a bank and I felt like I was close, but I just couldn't get it done, but I didn't know if I would qualify, what would you say to me?
So I would tell you first to go to our website, MaineStreamFinance.org, and on there's a survey. It's called a loan readiness survey. We offer them for our small business lending and our mortgage lending, and it's just a few questions that help us evaluate where you are in your process, whether it's the beginning, whether you've already reached out to another lender where they've tried to help you and they've offered the reasons why they couldn't, so that we can let you know if we can overcome that. It then gets facilitated to the right person, and they're able to take it to the next step and help you through the process.
It's worth a try.
Absolutely.
And we see in our community, I know you all know this, it's specifically in rural communities, a lot of really small businesses that they need to take their business to the next level, and maybe they don't qualify. What types of businesses have we helped through MaineStream?
Oh, we've helped a variety of businesses. We've helped the sole proprietor dump truck driver who needed a repair on his vehicle. We have helped the startup coffee shop in Brunswick. We have helped the donut shop in Rockland. We've done a small talk here in Bangor. We were able to help provide financial support for them. We've had a client come to us last year who had a special genre for all things spooky, and we were able to provide financial support. So there are multiple ways that we can help you, whether you're starting the business loan process with just an idea. We'll give you the support you need to take it to loan readiness. But if you already have an existing building or business and you want to take it to the next step, we're here to do that as well.
Love that. And so Dee, why does this work matter? Why does MaineStream's work matter for the community?
Because we're providing opportunity. We're providing a source of support that sometimes you're unable to get from a standard business. We provide a level of compassion and hand-holding, if you will, to take it to that next level, which makes it a little easier for you and for us to help you.
Love that. And one of the things that Dee often says, if you haven't heard her say it, I'd be surprised. A MaineStream's perspective is, how do we get to yes?
Absolutely.
We want to get to yes if we can in any way, so it's super important. What else do you want the audience to know? By the way, this is staff and also the community. Hi, community.
Hi.
What do you want them else to know about MaineStream?
Multiple things. So first of all, if you're not loan ready, don't think you're not going to get there. We have services through Penquis that offer support, such as the homebuyer education, the business counseling. They help you write business plans. They will get you to loan readiness. So if we're unable to support you because you're not ready, we have the services to do that. So don't give up. We're here. We want to help. But also, MaineStream's celebrating its 25th anniversary, Kara. It's amazing. Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. MaineStream's been helping people for 25 years, and through the growth, we're seeing success, and it's so rewarding to see that out in our community.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
And if you all happen to see any of the social media posts about the 25th anniversary of MaineStream, please share them. Please pass it along.
Yes, please.
And in fact, all this information, pass it along. Dee often says MaineStream is one of Penquis's best kept secrets. We want that to end. We need people to know about MaineStream. So if you know of someone who's even starting to look at needing a loan for a home or for a business, reach out. We want to see how we can help. Dee, any parting words before we end this wonderful video?
Thank you for taking the time to listen, and please share the word. MaineStream's here to help. We want to make this community stronger and better by providing financial support to anybody that needs it. Thank you.
You're wonderful. Thank you all. Have a great morning.